Hello everyone and welcome back. In previous videos, we have explored the power and impact of generative AI, recognizing as a key technology of the future. Now, let's discuss its potential and whether it could replace human jobs. Rapid evolution of generative AI. Generative AI is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Since ChatGPT's launch in November 2022, we have seen rapid advancements with new models emerging regularly. This trend is set to continue, with more advanced and specialized models being developed across various industries. From ideas to implementation, initially organizations were exploring the possibilities of generative AI, but now they are moving toward implementation. Major companies like Microsoft and Google have integrated AI into their products, accelerating the adoption of generative AI across industries. Shift to smaller, domain-specific models. While large models like GPT-4 are powerful, the future will likely see a shift towards smaller, domain-specific models. These models, tailored to particular industries or tasks, will be more accessible and cost-effective for smaller companies. Expansion into multimodal AI. Generative AI is not just about text. We can expect significant advancements in image, video, and audio generation, making AI more versatile and impactful across different media formats. Responsible and regulated AI. As AI influence grows, so does the need for responsible AI practices. Governments and organizations are increasingly focusing on making AI ethical, transparent, and accountable, ensuring it benefits society without causing harm. Will Gen AI replace human jobs? Now, the big question: will generative AI replace human jobs? The short answer is no, not entirely. However, it will transform the job market in several ways. Skill shift and new opportunities. Just like past technological shifts, some jobs will be impacted, but new roles will emerge. Generative AI will create opportunities for those who adapt and learn new skills. Impact on knowledge workers. Unlike previous waves of automation that primarily affected physical labor, this time knowledge workers such as content creators, legal professionals, and customer support will feel the impact. AI will assist in decision-making, content creation, and more. Industries most affected: customer operations, legal, marketing, software engineering, and R&D will see the most significant changes, with AI automating many tasks in these areas. Higher productivity. Generative AI can enhance productivity, enabling us to work faster and more efficiently. This will allow for more focus on creativity, strategy, and innovation. Embrace the future. In summary, generative AI is here to stay, and it's vital for us to embrace it. Rather than replacing us, AI will act as a companion, helping us perform our jobs better. As Harvard Business Review puts it, AI will not replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without AI. So, let's learn, adopt, and leverage generative AI to stay relevant in this rapidly evolving landscape. That's it for now. Let's move on to the next topic in the upcoming video. Thank you.